In this Flowblade tutorial I will show you how to color correct a video clip. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in Flowblade. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, well I've brought this video clip into Flowblade, and as you can clearly see the colours aren't very good. Awful day when I filmed this or shot of this with Camel, and I didn't have time to set the camera up manually, so I want to try and sort of change the colour on this clip. So without any further ado, easiest way to do it in Flowblade is place your pointer over the track, assuming you've already brought your video into track 1, right click on it, then look for add filter, then next to add filter you're looking for color, then next to color you're looking for color adjust. Now to the bottom left you'll see a little circle with a plus on it. Just place your pointer on it, hold your left mouse button down and just drag your pointer in this sort of color palette, and really it's just a matter of just finding a place. Obviously because it was blue, I'm going to be coming to the left of blue and finding a sort of position where the color is about right. It's not going to be perfect, but I think that's a vast improvement on the original, so we'll leave it there. That's all there is to it really. Quite a simple way of sort of improving the colour of a badly coloured video. So not going to go into any other details. Like I said at the beginning, I assume you have a basic understanding of editing in Flowblade and know how to render your video, so I'll leave it at that. Hopefully this helps somebody. Thank you for watching. Cheers.